Hey guys, and we're back again now with social studies. And on Tuesday we talked about locating places, different way you can use words to locate places. And I'm so happy because we already used to those location words besides far away, over, under, and all that. So it was kind of easier for us to get the work done. And I'm happy that you guys did your work correctly on Tuesday. So today we're going to continue with an exercise about trying to locate or describe locations in our community. So turn your book to page 277. Page 277, you write the date. Today is May Thursday 14th, 2020. May Thursday 14th, 2020. You write the date, page 277 of your big book. Now, if you're there already, it says draw to complete the map, then fill in the blanks and answer the questions. So the first thing we have to do, you have a map in the book. So this is the map, right? Places in Smart View. So this is the map of Smart View. Now you have pictures by the side. It says Science Center. This is the Science Center. All right. And it says that it is across the street from the theater. So this Science Center has to be drawn in a box that is across the street from the theater. So first of all, let's look at the theater. So this is the theater, right? This is the theater, and it's telling you that the Science Center is across the street from this theater. So in which place will you draw the Science Theater? I'm not going to do this for you. You have to look at the place and try to know where you can draw in the Science Theater, and you draw it there. And the next one is a restaurant. It says it is beside the clothing store. All right, it is beside the clothing store. So there you go. This is the restaurant, and they gave you a clue that the restaurant is beside the clothing store. So this is the clothing store. So you have to know where to draw the restaurant, because they say that it is beside the clothing store. So this is the clothing store, and the restaurant should be beside it. So you have to look for where you have to draw the restaurant to appear beside the clothing store. So that is it for this map. The Science Theater is across, the Science Center is across the theater, and the restaurant is beside the clothing store. So draw the two places in their correct place. And then we go down here and answer the questions. Here you have a blue box down here. It says near, far, left, and right. So we're going to use these 4 words to fill in the sentences correctly. Number 1 says the zoo is dash from Rob's house. So first of all, let's look at Rob's house on the map. So this is Rob's house here, and this is the zoo here. So you have to think, is the zoo far, near, over? I don't know. Your word, you have to choose the correct words from this place to fill in. This is Rob's house and this is the zoo. So put in the correct word that describes the location or the distance from Rob's house to the zoo. And that's the same way you're going to complete for the other exercises. And yeah. And then number 5 says Rob wants to go to the zoo. Draw a line with a red colored pencil to show him the path. So you have to get a red colored pencil and you come to Rob's house. Down here you're given a description of how to get to the zoo from Rob's house. So it says go up. So take your red pencil, come out and you go up, turn right, and then you turn right following the instruction they're giving to you. Turn right, then turn left here, and then turn right, and then you get to the zoo. So use your red colored pencil and draw the location from Rob's house to the zoo, following the directions you're giving down here. All right, so that's it for today in social studies. When you're done with your work, please take a picture of it and send it to me. If you still are confused, if you still need me to explain something more to you, just send me a voice note and I will do that. All right, have a wonderful day and see you again tomorrow. Bye.